Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get OnlyFans without credit card. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to use OnlyFans here without adding or using any credit card, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now first, let's go and discuss OnlyFans. Now typically, in order for you to access special content from your favorite content creator inside OnlyFans, you may need to use a credit card or even a debit card. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a credit card. You can use your own debit card if you want by going to the add card section at the left side here inside OnlyFans. And in here, again, you should be able to add your cards. Your card. The only thing in this one is you want to make sure that you use the card in that specific region. So if you're using a card in another region, you can go and just choose out one in here. And typically, once you do add this one, you should be able to start adding or subscribing to paid subscription. But the thing with OnlyFans here is you can actually subscribe to profiles or accounts here that provide free subscription. Now, this actually depends on the creator itself. So a great way for you to find creators here that actually offers like free subscriptions is by going to your homepage. Now, inside your homepage, you should see the subscriptions option or the suggestions at the right side here. Now, once you do see that, you should see a section here that says show only free. It looks like the tag that has a slash on it. So if you do click on it, it's going to show profiles or accounts that offers free subscription. So in this case, if you want to reload or refresh and look for other people or profiles in here as well, you can go and just click on it again and again to look for the profile that you may want to subscribe to. Now, in here, you should be able to click one of the profiles, and once you click on one of the profiles, you should see the subscribe button here. So you could go and just click on subscribe, and you should now be able to see their content that they offer for free. So yeah, so you can even like see photos in here if you want to, but that's about it. Now, if you're looking for someone specifically, I would highly recommend you to visit their socials, like from X or even on Instagram. See if they offer free subscriptions. So sometimes they would create a separate profile for free tier subscriptions. So just to give you some idea here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.